The last but not the least mention is of IndusNet Technologies, which is an award-winning global digital consulting and services company, which helps you grow faster, save smarter, and serve better through a synergetic application of digital technology and marketing. They provide enterprise-grade software development, cloud, web and mobile applications, analytics and digital marketing solution for mid to large enterprises across 40 countries through offices in India, UK, USA, Canada, Brazil, Singapore and Saudi Arabia. To talk on the company's growth strategy and future plans, we have been joined by Mr. Abhishek Rungta, the founder and CEO of IndusNet Technologies. Your mission is to be amongst the top 10 global digital service companies by 2025. Please tell us about the milestones that you have set in order to achieve this goal.
So as of today, we have 750 professionals who work across 6 countries. Almost 90% of our business comes from outside India, primarily from Europe and US. Our Indian presence was very small. It was almost 10-12%. Just last year. We are trying to increase that to at least 25% because we feel India is a very growing market. So the first step that we have taken is to grow the India side of business. Second is basically we have segregated businesses in various verticals and we have created an extremely entrepreneur-oriented culture and organizational structure so that each individual can head a strategic business unit and grow it in itself. So the whole idea is basically break businesses into smaller manageable chunks and let internally groomed leaders lead each of these businesses to new heights. We also have a very aggressive global expansion strategy where we have got teams across the world, and again these are entrepreneur partners who are working with us as joint ventures or as say country partners, as well as in certain countries we have our own offices which help us serve the customer in their local culture and their local way of doing things, as well as bring the technical expertise of all the talent in one single location in India.
How has been the company's financial growth in the recent past, and what growth opportunities do you see for IndusNet Technologies in the future?
So in recent last 2-3 years, we have been growing at around 25 to 26% per year, which is lower than our expected growth rate, which was around 40%. And we are pretty sure that these years have gone in creating a very strong base because we have changed our direction of the company. So earlier we were more focused on small and medium-sized enterprises. However, now our company is much more focused on medium to large enterprises. In fact, in last 2-3 years, we have backed several Fortune 500 companies and major brands.
How is IndusNet Technologies ahead of its competitors and sustaining in the presence of giant players in this business domain?
The big competitors are already in the industry for more than 2 decades. If you see last 5 to 6 years, you do not see any major IT service company crossing $1 billion mark. The primary reason for that is that there has been very little innovation among the mid to large sized IT enterprises in recent years. In fact, very recently, if you see the digital buzz that has caught up and all the companies now want to become digital, we have a very interesting edge in this situation. We are a company which is born digital, and that gives us the agility, it gives us the multi-domain knowledge, it also gives us the ability to think through the whole life cycle of a client engagement as well as a customer journey for a business, and helps us in exceeding all expectations of our clients in terms of quality delivery. And that is where we are consistently beating among the top 5 companies in India in many projects, and we have won several of those projects. And we are very confident that we will continue to win those with more brands, and we will establish ourselves as a specialized digital service company in next few years to come.
Thanks, Mr. Rungta, for joining us in the show. With this, we come to the end of this episode. I will be back next week with the success stories of few other SMEs. Till then, goodbye and take care.